Hi, I am Rian from Guglatech, and today we talk about a special bike, the AJP PR7. It's a small rally bike, it's very nice, and it's extremely effective. We want today to show you how to protect your bike from contaminated fuel. I know you're using your bike very extensively. There are people traveling the world with this bike, and so we want them to be safe. We have two products. The first one, this is your neck fuel. You can recognize it. It's very nicely sitting on the top of the bike, and the tank is here below. To mount the filter, which we have, it's quite easy. You will take off all the screw and simply, without removing anything, this is still sitting on the bike. You just plug off the flange, take our specific model designed for the AJP. With the cooperation of AJP themselves, they send us this part to develop the filter properly for the bike. You take the filter, you insert it simply inside the tank, and then you mount back the flange. A bit deeper. You screw back everything, and it's ready. Now we are protected while we're refueling, which means everything which goes through the, neck, it goes through our filter and it reaches the tank almost clean and perfect. Almost, because total protection and total filtration, it's impossible to achieve. What we want also to achieve is that we save the strainer and the fuel pump, because maybe the design can be improved with a small trick. This is your fuel pump, this is a fuel pressure regulator, and this is the connector that goes through the pump. Here at the bottom you have the strainer. The strainer is glued to the pump, so it could come off. What we recommend and suggest is that you implement a small trick, which is our Mazinga system. The Mazinga system is basically a cover-up of the whole fuel pump and the strainer. This will help the pump and the strainer to lock in position, and most of the whatever may sit in the tank and whatever may escape from filtration will sit around the pump, not in the pump. This will cover up everything. Now, before mounting this, if your pump and if your bike has done some kilometers, either you replace the strainer with a new one as AJP for the spare parts, or we recommend you to wash it. You can simply wash it with some fresh petrol and injector cleaner, put it in a glass jar, let it soak, and then blow it from inside outside. It will come almost brand new. Then you put it back. You could glue it, no problem. You can use, Loctite, super glue. It may work. We cannot assure you this. So you put it back into position, and then you simply mount the Mazinga. Just bear in mind, don't push too hard or the strainer may come off. Once in position, it's ready. You will simply close it around like this and use either the inox safety lock wire or the included cable tie. It's nylon, so it will not be affected by petrol of any kind. Make sure to close it all around the neck, and it's ready. In this kit, you will also find the external filter hose and pressed in W4, so it's inox, good quality inox, to replace the small filter that you will find in line between the pump, the tank, and the injector. This is top quality product. These are top quality products, and they will prevent injector damage, and you can change them and swap them every 40,000-50,000 kilometers. Through this, your bike is ready to do and over any kind of adventure. Thank you so much for following us. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, put us a like, and follow us for more info, news, and videos about your bikes or others. Thank you so much. We are Guglatech. We are protecting your bike.